Mahaw ta panit sa litson kay wa man ta kapaldo. Hmm. Lamit yung litson sa apas litson butuan ba?
Name your first emotion, and whatever it is, it describes your personality. Name your first emotion, and whatever it is, it